farm is milking the cows early in the morning. At the end of the day, we put the milk in the top. We heat it up 29 degrees Celsius, and we add two products. This is rennet. Rennet we need to make the milk thick like yogurt, and we need something for the flavor. This one, it's a bacteria, Gouda bacteria. I don't know exactly what it is, it's families. They are turning around in the ton for 1 hour, cutting the milk. You see, we did it like this. Then we heat the milk for the second time, 36 degrees. We cut for the second time, and this is the result. You can see small pieces of cheese, looks like cottage cheese. It's 10% cheese and 90% whey liquid. The whey we give it back to the calves in the stable, they drink it, so we recycle. And they're also used in sodas and cosmetical products for skin. We give it to the calves, and the cheese we take it out with this. To make 1 kilo, we need 10 liters of milk. So under the press, altogether 5 hours pressing. And after 5 hours, we put the cheese in a big bath with salt and water. Salt for the flavor and to preserve the cheese. 1 kilo, 1 day in salt water. After 1 day, we take them out, we let them dry. Then we put them on the right side over there, and yeah, the people who can see it, you see a very light colored cheese, and that cheese we made yesterday. So then they're dry, and we put wax, paraffin on the cheese with the sponge, liquid wax, liquid paraffin, and they need 3 coatings on every side. And then after a while it's finished. And they have to be here for 2 months for aging, because without, when you don't age the cheese, it's so soft and it has no flavor. So what we do every week, we turn them 1 time like this, and then every time we turn it every week. After 2 months they're ready, and then we put them in the shop, and we have. Don't put it in the fridge, although India has hot climate, no problem. Fridge is a problem, it's too cold. So what happens when you put it in the fridge, also the round cheese, the non-veg, it becomes very hard and dry and the flavor will disappear. This one you can keep 10 years, but don't wait so long. It's long.
Fake cheese! Fake cheese! This is like fake cheese. That's a fake cheese. Touch it. He just touched the cheese. It's not cheese, it's fake. Touch it. You touch it good.
We use poplar tree, Canadian poplar. It is very light, it's very soft, and it's very cheap. Then we start cutting it. It only cuts beautiful when it's fresh. The red shoe we use for dancing. So I got dancing shoes, working shoes, and I got garden shoes.
Oh yeah, these things.
Wait, how much did you sign?